Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can improve quality of your photos on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Okay, so first of all, when you are in the photo mode, I can recommend you to simply switch from the 3x4 to the 3x4 by 50 megapixel mode. Next, I can also recommend you to turn on the flashlight. And we are going to make small comparison. I'm gonna take 3 photos. So first with the 50 megapixel mode and flashlight. Second without the flashlight. And third photo with this 3x4 standard mode. When you are taking photos with the 50 megapixel mode, I can recommend you to do not move your phone for like few seconds to don't blur the photo. And okay, this photo was taken with the normal mode. Okay, it was some kind of the information from the camera, never mind. So that's how the photo looks with the normal with the 3x4. Next photo, it's with the 50 megapixel mode. And for me, right now from this view, it looks definitely better. Especially when you take a look right here on this arena. We can also zoom in a little bit closer. One more time, the first photo with the standard mode and 50 megapixel mode. Third photo, 50 megapixel mode and the flashlight. And for me, honestly, I can find here the best details. For me, this photo, the last photo, looks definitely the best. One more time. Okay, and that's my tips. 2 simple tips. Enable flashlight and turn on the 50 megapixel mode, and of course hold your phone steady. So you can tell me in the comment which photo was better for you. That's all for this video. If you find helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.